basic. Basic only.
Whatever the $14.
The rock is right there. Did it?
We're gonna do the $14.
You know, that's how it's
Yeah, actually.
Hey, guys.
In here.
You need your receipt.
Yes, please.
Hey, guys.
What do you want?
Hey, Club Car Wash guy.
Just. Thank you. No, it's busy.
Does it be busy?
What did you want? Hey, what did you want? What did you want?
Did get the red rock you want?
No, I have no idea. What does it say? I guess we'll find out.
There was to say, the rocky one. The wall is a try back in
Oh, no, when you're ready, can you clean the inside of the window for me?
yeah. Dirty back scratch. Feel good. Feel good. You
Messed
get,
up.
there's a color bubbles like up here.
No, I like it. Smells good.
It smells good. Did you get the Rocky? MVP is coming the Rocky. The Rocky. One. KK. K Sparkle. Yeah, I can go see VLT.
No. Why would you want to do that? Oh, we're going to check.
Check mode.
We're all the way down here.
There's a park right there.
No, I'm going to park.
Right there.
Why don't you keep an eye on it?
Daddy is got the Rocky one.
I don't know.
Inside the receipt
It
said.
didn't say.